Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike MX1. So let's just take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike MX1 shoes, and this pair is the men's UK size 8.5, US 9.5, Europe 43, Brazil 41, 27.5 cm, and it's also in a women's US size 11, and this pair is in the black University Red Anthracite colourway. Now let's go ahead and open up the box by lifting up the box lid to reveal the contents inside, and let's peel back the wrapping or packing paper to reveal the Nike MX1 in the black University Red Anthracite colourway. Let's lift up the left shoe first and take a look at its details. So closing the box back up and setting it on the left hand side of the tabletop. As we bring the shoe back in frame and giving you a look at this Nike MX1, and let's do a 360 rotation so you have a full and clear look of the shoe before we take much closer in looks at its details. So you can see the overall black and grey colour of the shoe, and just taking a much closer in look at its details. So we can see the mesh with that shimmering metallic sheen to that anthracite or grey colour, and of course contrasting against the dull or matte black short nap suede, as you can see. And just making sure of the materials, let's check the material sticker inside of the shoe. So you can see with that composition sticker that the upper does contain leather. Okay, so just continuing on, taking a look at the external details of the shoe. So back again with the mudguard in black and that short nap suede. So just brushing my finger along its surface so you can see just how it responds to brushing or rubbing. Okay, and we can see that there is a red or University Red embroidered Nike swoosh by the side of that mudguard or tip. So giving you a close-up look at that detail. And then as we move slowly towards the back or midfoot area, we can see that anthracite or grey midsole sandwiched between that black suede panel and the black of the outsole or sole of the shoe. So giving you a further outlook as to the different materials and panels and overlays. So with the midfoot panel, once again we see the layering of that short nap suede in black, and it does form the eye stay for the shoe as well with the laces in black. So plenty of panels with the mesh suede panels, and as we move towards the back part of the shoe we can see a grey or anthracite Nike swoosh in suede as well. So giving you a look at those panels top down so you can see the depth and layering of those suede and mesh panels. And taking a look at the midfoot heel part of the shoe, we can see the visible Nike airbag or Max Air unit providing air cushioning in the heel of the shoe, and we can see the red structure or red covering inside and around that airbag. So straight through right across the heel of the shoe with the Nike Max Air unit air cushioning, and with the midsole in foam, just pressing down on it to give you some sense of the firmness of that midsole. And now taking a look directly from the back or heel of the shoe, you can see once again the various panels of the shoe with the collar, once again in that mesh with that shimmering metallic sheen. And then of course we have the University Red Nike Air Max branding embroidered on that, once again, black suede panel. Now taking a look towards the inner side of the shoe, once again we see the interplay between those panels making up the upper of the shoe, and of course that high contrast grey midsole and red airbag in the heel. Now coming back towards the front of the shoe, we can see once again giving you a sense of the way light plays against those surfaces, especially with that low sheen metallic or anthracite mesh for the vamp of the shoe. Now taking a look directly from the tip toe or front of the shoe and slowly moving our way towards the back of the shoe to give you a look at the shoe's design from top down. And we can see the tongue patch in square black textile with that red Nike Air Max detail on it. And in terms of the padding or feel of the tongue, it is thin but does have a soft and airy feel to the bowstring or firmness of the tongue. Now just sliding and removing the paper stuffing that's in there so we can have a better look around the inner details of the shoe. So taking a look behind the tongue, we can see the label on the inside, and it does have that fleece-like lining to the back of the tongue, providing that soft and fluffy feel to it. And for the ankle and heel collar, it is thick and does have a medium level of firmness to it. Now giving you a look at the inside composition sticker on the materials label again in full detail this time round with the paper stuffing out, so you can see just what the shoe is made out of with the mixed materials and the suede upper of the shoe with of course the mesh details. So inside right throughout very dark and black and contrasted with that University Red Nike Air branding on the black insole or sock liner. So giving you once again a further out look to the shoe's details. And now taking a look at the sole of the shoe. So it does have a black rubber waffle sole. So flat black throughout. And giving you that close-up look to the tread or traction pattern of the shoe, and of course the Nike Air branding on it. Now to give you some sense of the rubber sole, dragging my finger and tapping my fingernail on it. Now let's do a flexibility, bend and twist test with my hands to give you some sense of the shoe's firmness, stiffness, pliability or softness. Now just stretching and puffing the shoe back in shape. And setting it down and bringing the left shoe in frame and taking a look at its details. So popping the right shoe out of the Nike Air Max 1 shoebox and giving you a look at the right shoe, once again in the black University Red Anthracite colourway. And let's do a 360 rotation with this side as well for that quick initial look of the shoe. And of course up close at its details, so once again those same panels in black suede and anthracite mesh, and of course the University Red accents on it as well, and of course the airbag with that University Red structure and black rubber waffle sole. Of course, taking a look around the inside of this side of the shoe, so removing the paper stuffing that's in there and giving you a clear look at the inside details. Now let's take a look at the pair together side by side. And from the front to the back. Directly from the back. Top down. And the bottoms or soles of the shoes. So that's Nike Air Max 1. Thanks for watching and happy walking!